Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by confirming your clip matches the balloon neck and the stem if present. This prevents leaks. Inflate the balloon to the size you want, leaving about 1/2 inch unfilled so the neck isn't overstretched. Once inflated, twist the neck once or twice to form a stable twist. Hold that twist with one hand. With the other hand, place the open clip over the twisted neck and press until it snaps closed. This locks air immediately and removes the need for tying. Once the first balloons are clipped, make clusters by linking. Hold one clipped balloon and align the next balloon's neck so the clip can latch around the knot area. Slide the clip until it locks both necks together. This creates a stable pair or cluster without extra tying. To build garlands or arches, repeat linking in sequence, alternating sizes or colors for structure. Make sure to anchor the beginning and end with a weight or tape so the whole arrangement stays in place and tension remains even. Finish by trimming any excess latex or rubber that creates bulk around the clip. Use scissors carefully and keep cuts small. If a clip feels loose or cracked, replace it right away to avoid sudden failure. If you notice a slow leak, deflate slightly, retwist the neck, and reapply a new clip or tie a small knot before clipping. This often reseals the opening. Finally, inspect connections under load. If tension shifts, rebalance by moving clips.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.